in Colorado, so I apologize if it's windy. I got the dead cat on. Hopefully that helps. So, what's up, everyone? It's Josh, Urban Armed, out here with my brother. Again, back-to-back videos with my brother in the video. The last one we did was on his 85 4Runner, and today we're gonna just run some rounds through. What exactly is it? It's a 7.62 AR. The KS47 suppressed. Never been shot before. Don't even have sights on it. This is just kind of more of a functioning test and a decibel test as well. We don't have a decibel meter, but you know, we're gonna use our science, our inner science skills. So yeah, let's check this bad boy out. Hold on. We gotta do this slow-mo thing.
So this is straight out of the box. No lube, no sights. All I did was put this QD mount on here for this KS47SD, which is kind of an outdated suppressor, but
it's a great suppressor. I've got one on my 300 blackout SBR.
Yeah. So this will be the first test of this thing. See how it functions.
Well, after a year of waiting for your tax stamp, you can finally go ahead and.
That's right. God damn that weight. Woo, boy, that's rough.
Oh Lord. Didn't mean to. I'm adjusting my camera settings and was super dark. Shooting some wolf ammo or what's up?
545.
Oh.
Wait a minute.
That is 545 by 39.
Wait a minute.
That's my AK-74 ammo.
Uh-oh.
Son of a biscuit. All right.
Let's go check it.
We're gonna have to go get some AK ammo real quick. I know I've got some somewhere.
Goddamn horseflies. God damn it.
It might be in my storage unit. I'm not sure where they're at. Well, all right. We will go get the correct ammo. I don't think you want to shoot that through here, and then we'll be right back. Time. My brother's gonna drink the bitch baby Mick Ultra, and I'm enjoying the douches. I don't know. Douchies. Yeah, IPA. I don't know. It's like I think it was a Colorado brew, but I could be wrong.
All right. We did it.
We found the ammo.
Found the ammo.
Yahtzee! One of these days we will be organized, but it won't be today. It just won't be today. All right, we've got ammo for this pretty sweet SBR setup. So I'm just gonna film, I guess. I might shoot it.
Shoot it.
So we got a couple extra mags. Hopefully the right mags. We didn't check.
We're gonna start with these mags because this mag
them.
feels as loose as your mom.
Woo!
Wait a minute.
Wait a sec. That don't make no sense. You just made fun of your own mom. All right, hot. No ears?
No ears.
All right.
All right.
Gonna do it live.
Do it live. No lube either.
No lube, no sights. Straight out the box. Woo! Wow.
Huh.
Okay.
All right. Let's see if I can hit this.
A little bit of gas coming back there.
Oh, we got a misspeed.
We got a little bit of a jam situation here. All right, so thanks for watching this series of the first 2 rounds fired.
This is the one thing I really hate about AK mags is you can very easily clone your mag insertion. Like,
yeah.
All right, so this is not a good review for the KS47 yet.
But the best part about your brother getting a new gun is it's pretty much like you getting a new gun. Although he's probably not going to leave it here with me, but he'll have to shoot it down here with me. So there's that.
Whatever, I can shoot it in my neighborhood.
Yeah, that's true. All right.
All right.
Pretty good.
That charging handle's kind of a bitch.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Let me look down these sights real quick. I'm just gonna shoot into the berm.
Yeah, I think that's the safest thing.
all of them without any issue.
Yeah, it's got to be the buffer. I think if the heavy buffer, it'd probably run better with that suppressor on there.
But man, you're right. I mean, flat as a board, shooting.
Yeah.
Flat as a board.
It's that comp. I think it's the comp.
What a nice upper too. Like it feels.
Yeah.
It feels right.
Yeah.
You know, just like the smoothness of the side of the handguard, the weight balance from the front to the rear. It feels.
You think you could clear some rooms with that thing?
Oh, I could clear a room. Yeah, clear a whole condo.
Yeah, that thing's nasty.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nasty.
I dig it. I dig it.
All right, so we have kind of a job to do.
So we've got a burn barrel over here, but we need to ventilate it. So I don't know. Can anybody think of a good way to make that happen?
You're gonna need a steel drill bit, 1-inch steel drill bit, a hammer drill.
Yeah. Or actually, I don't know. I mean, there might be another way.
There may be
Maybe.
another way.
Well, we're gonna think on it. Ba-ding! It's like making a cheese grater. Little sparkage.
Yeah.
I gotta say, your aim is on pretty good.
There's also
with
a lot
no
of
sights.
There's also diesel fuel in there.
All right, that's good to know.
Now it's running fine.
Hold on, I'm gonna get behind you. Okay, there we go. It's always the challenge between getting a good shot and not being downrange.
Yeah.
All right.
Ah, look at that.
Holy cow, perfect, like a cheese grater.
Nice.
I like it.
That's probably not enough, but we can always add more.
Oh, we'll add more.
Yeah.
More will be added.
Just use the rest of the mag here.
Yeah, sure. But what's interesting is you haven't had a failure
I know.
at all until I just said, oh, fuck. Failure to eject?
Failure to feed.
Failure to feed? Really?
Yeah.
Is that that's a, okay. Shit.
It's in there now.
All right.
One more.
Okay, so one failure so far in this, what do we have,
Man,
about 15 rounds?
That thing needs some lube.
It sounds good.
It's crazy.
All right. Nice.
You know what it might be?
What's that?
It's that it's not pushed against my shoulder,
Right?
and so it's
It's
got a little bit of give.
A little give. Ah, yeah.
So I'm gonna switch to a heavy buffer.
Right.
Yeah.
It's all about out here at the testing facility. We are certified firearms testers. I don't know where that accent came from. I really have no idea.
Hey, shout out to Coke Man.
Oh yeah.
This is a Coke Man inspired review.
Coke Man videos. Those are the best. Is he
He's
still
back.
around?
He's back.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
You know, right when the world's just ending, there's some good news that Coke Man is back to making YouTube videos.
Well, good sir, what do you have to say for yourself? Fuck the pooch and the pooch. What happened back there?
In FPS Russia, Kyle, you know, I've been enjoying his little podcast things on YouTube. Stuff's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Dude went to jail for like, what, 6 weeks or something, 2 months or something?
Federal pound me in the ass.
Federal prison. And he went to federal prison in Alabama. He lived in, I don't know. Yeah, he said it was kind of like a camp. Anyway, it's kind of interesting. I don't know. Summer camp. Hand you that.
So maybe hold it a little loose in your shoulder.
Okay. You want me to just ventilate a little more?
Yeah, go for it. I gotta say, your aim is fantastic. Thank you. I mean, you didn't miss once.
surprisingly, I'm not a super great shot, so. I mean, overall, man, it's feels really good. It's a nice setup.
Yeah, I imagine it's gonna need a little break-in and definitely some lube.
Yeah, everyone needs a little lube.
Yeah,
from time to time. Questions? We only ran a couple little mags through there, but you know, as you put your douche flute to your mouth.
I'm embracing the douche right now because I bought a Palmetto State Armory rifle.
Against everything you believe in.
I fucking hate those guys.
Yeah.
But
I do too.
This is the only
Price
affordable platform that shoots this round that I could suppress easily.
That was the purpose, right? To be able to shoot 7.62 suppressed.
So, first impressions, shoots pretty well. It's a little bit of cheek slap in that stock when you're shooting it suppressed. But obviously needs a little lube, needs a little tender loving care. I was gonna get the handguard, the Midwest Industries handguard that fits over the suppressor, but I think I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna make it a pain in the ass to get the suppressor off of here.
Mm-hmm.
AAC does make their own flash can to put on these brakes, so I was thinking about getting one of those, but they're only $150.
Jeez.
Yeah. So
okay.
Not doing that. Definitely need to upgrade that charging handle. That is garbage. That's probably a $10 charging handle. So not a fan of that. But I think with a sling, a light.
So minus the suppressor, what are you in for on this bad boy?
$550.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's the price of a Glock. It's ridiculous.
Great boomstick.
Yeah. So got a lot of other mags to try. I think, like you said, I think this is a Yugo. I'd have to double check that rib pattern on there. This was the Korean mag, which did not function that great. A lot of slop, a lot of wobble. These things have they're a little thinner up here. This metal up here is a little thinner. This one is much better seated here.
Yeah.
Got. Overall, I'm going to say money well spent so far. Until it blows up, I'm going to enjoy it.
Awesome.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. We don't do a lot of gun videos, but we'll probably be doing more this summer. So if you like guns and overlanding and off-roading and that kind of stuff, shenanigans, hit the subscribe button.
Reviews of guns.
Shitty reviews of guns. It is what it is, but we're having a good time. Hope you are too. Stay safe, everybody. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow on Instagram, you know, all that normal jazz.
Black Lives Matter.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do. So post whatever the hell you want to. I appreciate you guys. Later.